A key aspect of many successful projects in the private or public sector lies in their ability to grow in scale and in their effect on large groups of people. Yet a project that affects large numbers of people also will tend to attract the attention of political actors, who often play crucial roles in a project's success or failure. The three companies presented in this clip cover risks to ensure business growth and improve people's lives.
The US Export and Import Bank is the official export credit agency of the United States. The bank's mission is to assist in financing the export of US goods and services to international markets. We enable US companies, large and small, to turn export opportunities into real sales that help to maintain and create jobs in the US and contribute to a stronger national economy.
Sinosure is the only state-owned policy-oriented insurance company. We aid in promoting China foreign trade and economic cooperation by providing insurance to domestic companies, helping them expand. Currently, we support the exports of high-tech and high-valued added capital goods. Our vision is to be a sustainable insurance company with clearly defined position: go abroad.
We are a member of the World Bank Group. Our mission is to promote foreign direct investment into developing countries to help support economic growth, reduce poverty, and improve people's lives. We provide insurance for foreign companies to invest in developing countries and emerging markets. We primarily focus on providing political risk insurance to our clients.
As globalization increases, there are more corporations doing more business in more places around the world with each passing year. Some of the changes occurring in the business are high growth, new product offerings and greater role for private capital. But also the growing concern for these corporations is dealing with political risks. The underwriting of political risk insurance is a dynamic and growing business. Establishments like MIGA, Sinosure and EXIM Bank help in mitigating these political risks.
Political risk is the probability that disruptions will affect multinational enterprises by political forces or events. We divide them into 5 categories: currency convertibility and transfer, expropriation acquisition of assets, political violence, breach of contract by a host government, lastly, non-honoring of financial obligations. MIGA both supports and draws on the resources of the World Bank Group to offer clients in-depth knowledge of emerging economies. Because countries are shareholders in the agency, we can help tailor government actions that could disrupt investments and can help resolve potential disputes.
One of the services the Sinosure provides is annual country risk analysis. With decades of underwriting experience and reference to the evaluation results from famous international rating companies, we provide comprehensive analysis on country risk by assessing their political, social, economic, and financial condition through mathematical analytical models. During the uprising in Libya, Sinosure was hit hard in 2011. We had to pay insurance claims of more than $1 billion by 13 state-owned enterprises, which have large ongoing investments in the country. We provide confidence to multinational enterprises so that they could have a sustainable future.
Following these kind of policies, the insurance banks are not only dealing with single companies but they take risks to macro level. Because these kinds of risks are highly unstable, they are acting new strategies through collaborations and expanding their networks.
The political risk insurance market is expanding rapidly. Hence, it is important for us to work together and collaborate with other insurance companies like Sinosure and MIGA. We provide inward FDI opportunities to Sinosure and it works vice versa. By working closely with Sinosure, we are able to tap into their expertise on the developing China economy.
We are particularly active in facilitating outward investment from China through a multifaceted program that includes training of staff from Sinosure, marketing missions by guarantee staff, and awareness raising among business community through conferences and seminars on overseas investment trends.
In order for political insurance to be viable, the portfolio of investments insured must be large and diverse. Otherwise, the insurer runs the risk of wiping out 1 or 2 years' premium with one major loss. Most private political risk insurers, therefore, seek to co-insure or reinsure some of their risk portfolios. This way, the risk is shared or mitigated. MIGA has acted as our reinsurer in many occasions.
The common goal for all these insurance companies is to foster economy. They try to achieve this by driving foreign direct investment into potential markets and boosting domestic export. Sinosure seems to be a bit more startup-friendly than the US EXIM Bank, with Sinosure backing capital loans to startup without the need for a year operating period that EXIM requires. In addition, Chinese manufacturers are more export-savvy than their US counterparts.
Package Limited in Pakistan has applied for a MIGA guarantee of up 81 million for a period of up to 15 years against the risk of transfer restriction, expropriation, and war and civil disturbance. MIGA's support for this investment is aligned with the World Bank Group's country partnership strategy for Pakistan, particularly with regard to providing employment opportunities. The planned investment program is expected to create 840 jobs for local hires during the construction period, in addition to the staff currently employed by the mills. Package Limited has undertaken various community development projects, which have included supporting local schools by renovating buildings and providing safe drinking water and sanitary facilities. The company also arranges medical services for both employees and the surrounding community, grants educational scholarships, and organizes professional training, sports events, and festivals.